Nobody talks about this, honestly. The car industry is obsessed with horsepower, 0 to 60 times, and touchscreens with 47 menu layers. Meanwhile, an entire generation of experienced, intelligent buyers, people who have driven everything and know exactly what they actually need, are being completely ignored. As we get older, luxury isn't about how fast a car goes. It's about how easy it makes your life. It's about not struggling to get into the seat, not squinting to read a tiny screen to change the temperature, not paying a dealership $300 to fix something a good independent mechanic handles in 40 minutes. Today on Carverse, 5 luxury SUVs perfect for seniors that cost almost nothing to maintain. Dignified presence, ergonomic excellence, physical buttons, predictable maintenance, and engineering that was built before manufacturers decided complexity was a feature. If you value real engineering over unnecessary gadgets, hit subscribe right now and join the Carverse community. These are the smart choices. Let's get into them. Why these 5 specifically? Before the list, understand the framework that makes a luxury SUV genuinely right for senior ownership. 3 variables matter above everything else. First, ingress and egress. The step-in height must be right. Too low and getting out becomes a physical event. Too high and climbing in becomes an obstacle. The ideal range is a natural standing to sitting transition with no knee strain and no ducking. Second, visibility. Thin pillars, large windows, a seating position that places the driver above traffic with clear sightlines in every direction. Blind spots are not an inconvenience in senior driving. They are a genuine safety variable. Third, control simplicity. Physical buttons for climate, audio, and navigation that can be operated by feel without eyes leaving the road. Every car on this list was chosen partly because the engineers who designed the controls understood that usability matters more than the appearance of technology. The maintenance dividend applies here too. Every car here was over-engineered at original price points that no longer need to be recouped. That engineering investment is permanently yours, at fractions of what it originally cost. SUV number 5, Volvo XC90, 2007 to 2014. The ergonomic icon. Why it's perfect for seniors. Volvo designed the XC90 seats in collaboration with orthopedic specialists, and it shows in a way that you feel immediately and cannot unfeel. The lumbar support, the lateral bolstering, the seat foam density, these were specified to support the human spine over long distances rather than simply look premium in a showroom. The step-in height on the XC90 is as close to perfect as any SUV has ever achieved for the senior buyer profile. Natural standing to sitting transition, no climbing, no crouching, no knee strain. The door opening is wide enough that entry and exit feel dignified rather than athletic. The climate controls and audio system use physical buttons and knobs throughout, the kind that can be adjusted by feel at 60 miles per hour without a single menu. This is ergonomic excellence that newer touchscreen-dependent vehicles have genuinely abandoned. The Carverse Gold Mine. The 3.2-liter naturally aspirated inline-6 is the specific configuration that earns the XC90 its place on this list. No turbocharger, no supercharger, no forced induction complexity of any kind. A straightforward, naturally aspirated inline-6 that any independent mechanic understands completely. Parts availability is robust. The ownership community is large and well documented. Failure modes are well understood and almost universally maintenance-related rather than design-related. Buyer's intelligence. Confirm the timing belt service history. The 3.2-liter uses a belt rather than a chain, with a service interval of approximately 100,000 miles. This is the single most important preventive maintenance item. Confirmed belt service history transforms this car from a question into a guarantee. Status math. New, $50,000 plus. Now, $7,000 to $10,000. Orthopedic seats, perfect step-in height, physical controls, non-turbo engine, the maintenance dividend at its most practical. Carverse finds the vehicles that genuinely serve the people driving them, not just the people selling them. If this is the content you've been looking for, hit subscribe right now. The bell too. SUV number 4, Acura MDX, 2007 to 2013. The visibility king. Why it's perfect for seniors. The second generation MDX has a greenhouse, the glass area surrounding the cabin, that automotive safety researchers consistently cited as one of the most visibility-friendly designs in the SUV segment during its production run. Large windows, relatively slim pillars, a seating position that delivers excellent forward and peripheral sightlines without the blind spot anxiety that compromises confidence at intersections and lane changes. The interior controls were designed in an era when Honda still believed that buttons should be exactly where your hand naturally reaches. Climate control is a physical dial. Audio volume is a physical knob. The layout communicates its function without requiring a tutorial. Seniors who have been driving for decades do not need to learn a new interface. They need an interface that respects the experience they already have. The Carverse Goldmine. The 3.7-liter V6 VTEC is Honda engineering applied with the confidence of a manufacturer that had spent decades proving this architecture could outlast almost anything it competed against. Naturally aspirated. The timing system uses a belt, confirms service history, but the engine architecture surrounding it is Honda's most proven large displacement V6 of its era. This engine does not have the complexity concerns of European alternatives. The failure modes are documented, understood, and almost universally addressed through basic maintenance rather than specialist intervention. Buyer's intelligence. The timing belt service is the single non-negotiable verification on any MDX purchase. Honda specifies replacement at approximately 105,000 miles. Confirm it was done. With that confirmed, you have Honda reliability, Acura refinement, and predictable maintenance costs for as long as you choose to own it. Status math, new, $45,000 plus. Now, $8,000 to $11,000. Exceptional visibility, physical controls throughout, Honda engineering at its most proven. For money that makes dignified senior transport genuinely accessible. SUV number 3, Lexus RX 350 2010 to 2015. The Soft Glide. Why it's perfect for seniors, the RX 350 is the gold standard for senior luxury SUV ownership, and it earned that reputation honestly over multiple generations of consistent execution. The suspension tuning prioritizes comfort over sportiness in a way that very few SUVs at any price successfully achieve. Road imperfections that reach the cabin of comparable vehicles are absorbed before they become events in the RX 350. For seniors managing joint pain or back sensitivity, this specific suspension character is not a preference. It is a genuine quality of life variable. The step-in height is ideal. The seating position provides excellent road visibility. The interior buttons are large, clearly labeled in plain language, and logically positioned. The climate and audio systems require zero learning curve for anyone who has been driving since before touchscreens existed. The Carverse Goldmine, the 2GR-FE 3.5-liter naturally aspirated V6 uses a timing chain rather than a belt, eliminating the most common scheduled maintenance concern on every other engine on this list. No belt replacement interval, no timing belt anxiety. The chain is maintenance-free for the practical life of the vehicle. This engine family powers tens of millions of Toyota and Lexus vehicles globally. The reliability data accumulated on it is the most extensive of any naturally aspirated V6 in modern production history. Any mechanic in any country who has worked on a Toyota product knows this engine. Buyer's intelligence. Inspect the PCV system on higher mileage examples, a known oil consumption contributor on the 2GR-FE at extended mileage. Inexpensive to address at any independent Toyota or Lexus specialist. With this confirmed clear, the RX 350 powertrain is as predictable as any engine available at this price. Status math, new, $45,000 plus. Now, $12,000 to $15,000. The gold standard, comfort-tuned suspension, timing chain instead of belt, Toyota reliability and Lexus packaging. Drop your answer in the comments. What is the single most important feature in a car for senior drivers? Comfort, visibility, simplicity of controls, or reliability? Genuine question. Let's see what this community values most. SUV number 2, Toyota Land Cruiser / Sequoia, 2003 to 2007. The Practical Gentleman. Why it's perfect for seniors. For the senior who still travels, still tows a boat or trailer, still values the ability to go anywhere regardless of weather or road conditions. No vehicle on this list serves those requirements more completely. The Land Cruiser and Sequoia share the same platform and deliver the same engineering in slightly different packages. The controls are old school in the best possible sense. Physical switches, tactile feedback on every function, a four-wheel drive system operated by a real lever or dial rather than a software menu. The driver knows exactly what the vehicle is doing at every moment, because the interface tells them directly rather than displaying a diagram on a screen. The Carverse Goldmine. The 2UZ-FE 4.7-liter naturally aspirated V8 is Toyota's commercial-grade large displacement V8, the architecture deployed in some of the most demanding operating environments globally. Mining operations, commercial fleet service, conditions that reveal every engineering weakness without mercy. This engine has documented examples at 1 million miles with original internals. Not theoretical capability, documented real-world outcomes from ownership communities that treat these vehicles as working tools rather than status symbols. Buyer's intelligence, confirmed timing belt service history. The 2UZ-FE uses a belt with a service interval of approximately 90,000 miles. This is a straightforward replacement at any independent Toyota specialist. With confirmed belt service, this engine has no meaningful mechanical ceiling for practical ownership purposes. Status math. New, $60,000 plus. Now, $9,000 to $14,000. Million-mile engine documentation. Old-school tactile controls. Genuine capability for seniors who still use their vehicles rather than just driving them. Before the number one car, Carverse finds what genuinely serves real drivers, not what sounds impressive in a press release. Subscribe and hit the bell. This is the community that finds real value. SUV number 1, Lincoln MKX 2011 to 2015, the luxury secret. This is the Carverse number 1 for senior buyers, and the reasoning is both mechanical and practical. Why it's perfect for seniors. American luxury has always understood one thing that European and Japanese alternatives occasionally compromise: the sofa. The Lincoln MKX front seats are wide, deeply cushioned, and positioned at a height that makes entry and exit the most natural movement on this entire list. The door opening is genuinely generous, no contortion, no strategic ducking, no careful foot placement. You simply get in and get out. The interior buttons and controls reflect Lincoln's understanding of their core buyer. Large climate controls, logically positioned audio functions, a layout that respects the driver's experience rather than requiring them to navigate software layers to accomplish basic functions. The ride quality reflects Lincoln's tuning philosophy, prioritizing the isolation of the cabin from road disturbances over any sporting pretension. This SUV does not try to feel athletic, it tries to feel comfortable. And for senior buyers who have been driving for decades and know exactly what they want, that honesty is worth more than any performance claim. The Carverse Goldmine. The 3.7-liter TIVC TV6 is a Ford-developed naturally aspirated V6 architecture used across multiple Ford and Lincoln platforms simultaneously. The maintenance cost consequence of this is significant. Parts are available at every auto parts retailer nationally at prices governed by Ford's mass-market production volumes, not luxury brand premiums. Every independent mechanic who has worked on a Ford product knows this engine's architecture intimately. Diagnosis is straightforward. Repairs are inexpensive. The ownership experience is predictable in a way that European luxury alternatives at this price cannot consistently deliver. This is the maintenance dividend expressed most practically. Luxury SUV presentation with economy car maintenance economics. For senior buyers managing retirement budgets without sacrificing dignity. Nothing on this list delivers that combination more completely. Buyer's intelligence. Inspect the PTU, power transfer unit, fluid service history on AWD examples. The PTU requires fluid service every 30,000 miles and is frequently overlooked by previous owners. Neglected PTU fluid causes expensive drivetrain repairs. Confirmed PTU service history is the single verification that transforms an MKX from a question into a Carverse goldmine. Status math. New, $40,000 plus. Now, $7,000 to $9,500. Easiest ingress and egress on this entire list. Ford parts pricing at every corner store. Sofa-like American comfort. Dignified presence without European repair bills. This is the Carverse goldmine that senior buyers deserve, and that the market has consistently underpriced. The Senior Buyer's Maintenance Playbook. 5 SUVs. One framework that keeps dignified transport both dignified and affordable. Timing belt verification is non-negotiable. 3 vehicles on this list use timing belts with service intervals between 90,000 and 105,000 miles. Confirm service history before purchase on everyone. This single verification separates a worry-free ownership experience from an expensive surprise. The Lexus RX 350 uses a chain. No belt concern applies. Independent specialists over dealerships. Every vehicle here has independent specialists charging 40 to 60% below dealership labor rates for equivalent quality work. For seniors on fixed incomes, this relationship is the foundation of predictable maintenance costs. Find your specialist before you need them. Single owner documentation, the senior buyer profile, conservative driving, regular service intervals, garaged storage, produces exactly the ownership history you want to inherit. Look specifically for retired professional sellers. Their maintenance discipline is permanently embedded in the car's mechanical fabric. Dignity doesn't have to cost a fortune. The automotive industry would prefer that senior buyers equate luxury with the latest technology and the highest monthly payment. Carverse prefers the truth. Real luxury for senior drivers is a seat that supports your back, a door that opens wide enough to exit gracefully, controls that do what you expect without a tutorial, and an engine that doesn't require an apology to your retirement account every time it needs service. Volvo XC90, orthopedic seats and perfect step-in height at economy car pricing. Acura MDX, Honda's most visibility-friendly SUV with physical controls that respect your experience. Lexus RX 350, the gold standard comfort suspension with a timing chain that never needs replacing. Toyota Land Cruiser / Sequoia, the million-mile engine for seniors who still use their vehicles. And the Lincoln MKX, the easiest ingress and egress on this list, with Ford parts pricing that makes luxury maintenance genuinely affordable. 5 SUVs, all built before complexity became a selling point, all delivering the maintenance dividend to buyers who have earned the right to own something that simply works. Dignified presence, predictable maintenance, real engineering, that's the Carverse promise, and these 5 deliver it completely. Which one would you recommend to someone you love? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. Carverse has one more video on screen right now. Click it and I'll see you there.